Sup everybody, my name is Gerard Tram. I'm from GW Studios. This is Isaiah Piercy. This is Wyatt Young. These are my associates. And today we're going to do something absolutely crazy. Well, okay, in the name of science, it's never something crazy. It's always scientific. So today we have a rocket powered Nyan Cat. Let me give you a good view of that. I have a 38 times 2 times zoom. That is a rocket-powered Nyan Cat. As you can see, we have a rocket engine strapped to it. Alright.
Okay.
And I will give you a nice slow-mo of the launch if it doesn't fail. Alright, see you in a second. Hello everybody, my name is Gerard Tram, and this is Wyatt.
Hi.
This is Isaiah. Not really sure if I'm getting him right. Yeah, that's Isaiah. And since the last version of our rocket propulsed Nyan Cat didn't work that well, we decided to make a newer version of it. This time it has a longer launch tube.
Okay.
Much longer. No, don't fire.
With the camera.
No, don't fire it yet.
I'm not gonna fire it yet.
Why do you even follow it with the camera?
Follow the rocket up with the camera.
Well, no, I need to set it to high speed first. Sorry about that. So, yes, and we will see you in high speed in a second. Hey, don't! Really funny, guys. Seriously, like, whoa, it just landed right there. Well, at least we got more airtime this time.
Yeah, by a crap load.
Oh yeah, it exploded again. Well, let's see our launch pad. See.
Maybe that's what we should do for the rail. The tubes. Yeah.
Hey, that's a good idea, right? Alright. So we have our igniter here. Our launch pad, as you can see, some fuel residue, and feel like bending down, so I'm just going to zoom in. Get you a better view of the fuel residue. Alright, that's our launch pad. Okay. Buddies! GW Studios signing off! Oh my god!